morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, IELTS by BRB. My name is Bhumit, and today we are going to start the EME program. EME stands for Essay Made Easy. In this program, we will discuss about an essay in an easy way, in an assimilating way, so that it would be useful to you to understand in a effective way, in a fruitful manner. I have also prepared in the same way and got the desired coveted bands. So please watch this video till the end. And for those who want description on the cue cards as well as on the VIP program, please go to the playlist of my channel, search for these icons and watch the related videos. Today's essay topic is relying on fossil fuels such as oil and coal for our energy needs is becoming increasingly impractical. The rising cost and decreasing supply of these fuels, along with concerns about the global warming they cause, mean we must find an alternative. Nuclear energy is the only practical and clean source of energy for the world. To what extent do you agree or disagree? When we talk about fossil fuels and energy sources, the first thing that must come in our mind is renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Now, those sources which are renewable are solar, hydropower, geothermal, wind, biomass, whereas non-renewable energy resources which are at the point of depletion is petroleum, diesel, oils, coal, natural gas, etc. The second word that must strike out is depletion, those things which are at the point of running out. Then comes the energy crisis. Yes, as these resources will end, there will be a crisis of energy. Now, the two words substantiate and staggering. Now, these two words are to be used during this essay because substantiate means support. So there is a support required from the renewable sources of energy like solar, wind, water, etc., so that the burden on the fossil fuels decreases. Staggering means the shocking demand of the energy that is required to run many companies. So these two words are required during this particular essay. Viable means only or possible solution to the particular problem. Then whenever there is a talk about nuclear power, then the nuclear waste disposal is a matter which is to be discussed at a great extent. Developed countries like US, UK, Japan, they are facing problems in nuclear waste disposal. So this is always to be mentioned when we talk about nuclear energy. Then comes insufficient energy supply from solar, wind, water energy resources. Yes, it is true. The word combat could be used. Then comes affluent nations, wealthy nations, those who have great amount of money like US, UK. Then finally comes the sustainable development. So a resource is required which supports sustainable development of the entire earth. Now, the suggested introduction is the world's existing natural reserves are at the point of depletion. They are fast running out as the consequence of excessive use of fossil fuels. Energy crisis will loom large. This will compel humans to depend on alternative sources of energy. Many people come up with an opinion that nuclear energy is the only viable means of energy among all. But there are some who are totally against this view. Both the groups of people have logic to support their sides, but my inclination is towards the latter view. Now, here there are four things that will add spices to your introduction. The first one is the word depletion. Depletion means reduction in number of quantity or something. For example, depletion of ozone layer. The ozone layer is depleting, therefore its effect is decreasing. In the same way, the world's existing natural resources such as oil, petroleum are at the point of depletion. They are fast running out. They are emptying. The wells are drying. Because of that, there will be a crisis of energy which will loom large. Loom large means to appear or stand over someone in a threatening way. Now we have a fear that the oils will end, so there will be crisis in energy. So this will force humans to depend on alternative source of energy. This will compel humans to depend on alternative sources of energy. Now, as per the essay topic, the only possible solution is nuclear energy. The only viable means is the nuclear energy. Now, the viable means something that is capable of becoming successful. It is also said as feasible. This essay will describe both the paths, but it will show its inclination towards any one. Suggested body paragraph 1. First and foremost, nuclear power is relatively sustainable source of energy. Nuclear power is cheaper and its supply is plentiful. Nuclear power stations are cleaner as compared to those of fossil fuels. There are other sources of energy like solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, and biogas. But it's quite unfortunate that the energy obtained from them is so limited that it cannot substantiate even a part of the staggering demand of it to run our myriads of factories and other needs. Here, there are four new words which are used. First is sustainable. Sustainable means a step by step growth of something. The picture shows that there is a plant or even there is money which is grown step by step, not instantly but step by step. That is sustainable, able to maintain at a certain rate the growth that takes place at a certain rate. Then comes the word substantiate. Substantiate means to provide support. Now, the energy obtained from other sources of energies, that is solar, tidal, wind, biogas, is very less. Therefore, it is not able to support the current requirement to run myriads of factories, many factories. Now, the word staggering means shocking or astonishing. The person or the boy here shows that he is shocked of something. In the same way, the demand of energy is very high. There is a shocking demand of energy. There is a staggering demand of energy. Energy required for running of various companies and factories. Here, the word myriad. Myriad means countless or extremely great number of people or a thing. So altogether, it can be written as the energy obtained from solar energy, wind energy, biogas is so limited that it cannot substantiate even a part of staggering demand of it to run myriads of companies and factories. Suggested body paragraph 2. However, as we know, every rose has thorns. There are certain setbacks with nuclear power. Highly sophisticated and expensive instruments are required to set a nuclear plant. Only developed countries are able to do so and it is beyond the reach for most of the developing nations as they are in a combat with other issues. Moreover, disposal of waste is another issue. Even affluent nations like US, UK, Japan, and many more have not found a complete safe way for nuclear waste disposal. Now, there is a phrase every rose has thorns. Yes, it is true. Rose is very much beautiful, but there are thorns. In the same way, like smoking or eating fast food, there are certain drawbacks, there are certain setbacks. In the same way, nuclear power has also certain setbacks. Setback means a problem or difficulty or an issue. Therefore, it is rightly said that every rose has thorns. There are certain setbacks with nuclear power. There are certain problems with nuclear power. Now, the drawbacks are discussed in details. Highly sophisticated and expensive instruments are required to set a nuclear plant. This is very easy for developed countries, but for developing countries, it is very much tough because they are battling with other issues like poverty, unemployment. They are combating with these issues. Now, whenever we talk about nuclear power and its energy, the first drawback that should come in our mind must be always disposal of nuclear waste. Now, this is a strong problem that even developed nations, affluent nations like United States, United Kingdom, Japan are facing difficulties. They have yet not found a complete safe way for nuclear waste disposal. Affluent is a good word that could be used in place of wealthy nations. Affluent means especially a group or an area having a great deal of money. Therefore, wealthy nations can be said as affluent nation. In addition to this, leakage of nuclear plant should be kept in mind as it happened in the recent tsunami that hit Japan. Radiation was spread beyond tolerable level for humans. Furthermore, the other sources of energy are readily available. Recent inventions and discoveries are making solar power more reliable and affordable. Besides, there are other sources of energy like tidal energy, wind energy, hydroelectric power technology, and fuel cell technology gaining grounds. Hydroelectricity power is present in many parts of South America. Now, dear friends, it is always advisable once when you complete your paragraph, you quote an example. So, it will add spice to your particular paragraph. It should not be related to numbers, but it should look real. Now, there was a leakage of nuclear plant in Japan when there was a tsunami. Radiation was spread beyond the tolerable levels for humans, so different kind of problems had occurred. So, nuclear power plant leakage is the biggest problem. On contrary to nuclear plants, the other sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, water energy, new inventions are coming through so that these energy sources can be used in a better way. They are gaining grounds. Now, gaining ground is an idiom. It means to make progress, to gain ground. So, these inventions are gaining ground, and therefore, the utilization of solar, tidal, and water energy is increasing day by day. Another example of hydroelectricity power is quoted over here. Hydroelectricity power is present in many parts of South America. So, this is a kind of a technique used in South America to generate power. In the same way, wind energy power plant has been developed in many parts of Kutch, Gujarat. To put my pen down, as per aforementioned debate, nuclear power is an invaluable source of energy, but it requires lots of money to be harnessed, and it is more reliable to use other sources of energy to move ahead on the path of sustainable development. Here, the conclusion is written in a twisted way. Yes, nuclear power is an invaluable source of energy. It is an important source of energy, but it requires lots of money, which the developing countries does not have, and it requires a good attention on developing the plant because the leakage problem does not take place. So the harnessing is important. So it is better to use alternative sources of energy for sustainable growth, for sustainable development, for step by step growth. I hope so. You like this video. Please like, comment and share my video so that it encourages me to make more such videos. Please subscribe my channel and till then, goodbye, sayonara.